Hey everyone, Jake here again. So wanted to go over a 56 by 60 center or off center shower tray. Just kind of want to show you real quick what you get and what's inside a 56 by 60. First of all, we're going to have our 32 by 60. Okay, this is our typical size, and I'll have a video, and it's in the link in the description. If you click on that, it'll explain the sizes that we have and how we extend the trays. So how we start off with the 56 by 60s, we have a 32 by 60. It's either going to be a off center or it's going to be a center drain tray. Then what you're going to get is you're going to get this right here, which is 4 extension pieces. All right, so what you're going to get: 1, 2, 3, 4. These are extension pieces. They're 12 inches by 36 inches each, and one extension kit comes with 4 of them. So this is how we're going to make a 56 by 60. Okay, we've laid out our 32 by 60 tray, and then we're just going to grab these pieces here. So you're going to take 56 by 60 or the 32 by 60 tray and make it a 56 by 60. Is you're going to add to the sides these extension trays. Now what you're going to need to look at is that slope. There's a thin side and a thick side. So we're going to just place it down here like this. One extension piece. Make sure the slope, the thin side, goes inwards. All right, so here now we have a 32 by 60 in the center with 1, 2, 3, 4 extension pieces. So that right there makes up a 56 by 60. Yes, you are going to have to do some trimming on the sides up there to make it fit accordingly, but take a look at the video, link in the description, for how I kind of sketch it out real quick to show you the different sizes and things you can do with it. But that is a 56 by 60. You will get 6 pieces, one 32 by 60 shower tray, whether it be a center or an off center. And then you're going to get one extension kit, which has 4 extension pieces. Each of them are 12 by 36 inches. All of it, again, will be installed with the modified thin set. And there you go. That's 56 by 60. All right, thanks.